Here, at the golden edge of the world, we stand in awe of the tide's slow exhale. As the sun drifts toward its final bow, we arrive at Ballybunion Beach in County Kerry, a place where earth, sea and sky converse in whispers of light. On this rugged western shore of Ireland, two sandy arms stretch outward, the men's beach and the ladies' beach, divided by a cliff crowned with ancient ruin. Above that cliff stands the ghost remnant of Ballybunion Castle, built in the early 1500s by the Fitzmaurice family, a sentinel of stone overlooking the tide. And here, beneath the cliffs, along the path of the wind-washed rocks, lies a tale older than the stones themselves. Legend speaks of the Nine Daughters Hole, a blowhole carved deep by the sea, where 9 daughters of a chieftain and their Viking admirers were cast into the depths when love dared the tide. Imagine them, golden haired, stepping lightly upon the cliff's edge, the Atlantic wind their cloak, and the sea their silent vow. The cave echoes still, a murmur of laughter carried away by gulls, a sigh of ancient waves dancing against the rock. Now we drift along the cliff walk, an effortless path carved by time, high above the Atlantic swell. Below, the sea breathes into caves. Above, the horizon stretches unbroken. Birds wheel and call, curlews, oyster catchers in this wild theater of water and wind. The sand dunes ripple like waves of earth. The castle ruin watches on. Here, you can almost hear the ancient promontory fort's voice, the land's memory of people who once stood where we now hover by drone. Ballybunion is part of the great wild coast of Ireland, resting on the route known as the Wild Atlantic Way. Its twin beaches have been awarded the Blue Flag for their pristine condition. Men and women once swam separately here, a relic of social norms drifting like sea foam into the past, and the castle, perched high above, was built on a former promontory fort, echoing Bronze Age and Iron Age roots. And as the drone sweeps upward, we leave the beach, we leave the castle, and we touch the place between world and myth. Imagine now the waters opening a secret path, the castle stones glowing with twilight, and the chieftain's daughter spirits dancing in the foam. A lone gull cries, and the sea replies. Here, magic lingers, not the overt kind, but subtle, in the curl of a wave, in the grain of a sand, in the meeting of sky and sea at the horizon. So come, walk these sands, listen to the cliff wind, let the memory of this place settle like salt on your skin. Let the story of Ballybunion, its beaches, its history, its myth, become part of your own unfolding journey. Here, at the golden hour, the sea reflects fire, the land reflects eternity, and you reflect the wonder that is simply being alive, here and now. Thank you for joining this flight with us. May your heart carry a piece of this timeless coast, and may the dusk tide always whisper to you, you are home. This is Together Exploring, where every step is a story. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more magical stories. And if you enjoy our stories, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.